welcome all the students to this video lecture on computer networking and types of computer networking. In our earlier lecture, while discussing about the technology which is adopted in the banking sector, we discussed about the nature and scope of information technology in banking sector. How the banking sector is applying the information technology in this particular sector in order to provide services to their customers. We already discussed in our earlier lecture that the banking sector initiated the application of information technology in this particular sector since 1980s. Nowadays, we can see, we can observe with the help of this application of information communication technology, with the click of our button on the fingertip in 24 into 7, we are enjoying the services of the banking sector, the services which have been provided by the banking sector. In this particular lecture, we are going to discuss about the system of computer networking. It is the topic which is related with the computers. What is the need of connectivity or establishing connectivity in between different systems, different devices, and what are the types through which we can connect various devices at a particular location. The type of the computer networking that we are going to discuss about three different types, and while explaining I will explain four different types of computer networking. Personal area network means PAN, local area networks means LAN, wide area networks means WAN, and metropolitan area networks, it means MAN. These are the four different types of computer networking which we are going to discuss here in this particular topic. As we know, in day-to-day life, we are, in other words, we can say we are living in the era of information communication technology. And information is the most important thing. We do share this information with other people. We are connected with most of the peoples within our region, within our state, within our country, and sometimes we are connected outside our country. We do share information, we do share different types of data with different people. Means connectivity is a very important in this particular era. As we use the social networking sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, through and YouTube, through these softwares, through this system, we do create our social connectivity with the people. And through this social connectivity, we do share our information, we do share our data with other peoples within a particular or specific region. That is what about the social connectivity. In the same way, we can say here, we can conclude that we are living in the era of connectivity of the people. So in this way, there is a part which is known as computer networking. Computer networking is the concept which is nothing but the interconnection of computers or interconnection of various devices is known as computer networking. Why this interconnectivity of various devices is essential? Why the interconnectivity of various computers is essential? As we know, in our home, while using our mobile phone, we do connect sometimes our mobile phone with other phones. With Bluetooth, we can connect with other cables, we can connect. Means wire and wireless connectivity is available With the wireless connectivity, through Bluetooth we can connect various devices. Through personal hotspot we can connect various devices. We can connect our mobile phone with our laptop or computer. While connecting our mobile phone with computer, we can use wires, that is the cable. Through cable we can connect it, and after connecting we can transfer the data from mobile phone to our laptop or computer, or from computer to our mobile phone we can transfer over. If wire is not there, then wireless system is available. If cable is not there, then through wireless system we can connect. Through personal hotspot we can connect our devices. So this is what the connectivity is. Different computers in a specific area can be connected. Different computers or the different devices which we can connect within a specific geographical area. So as why this connectivity is essential, why this connectivity is important, in order to exchange the information from one device to another device, this connectivity is important. Now we can observe that we do connect our mobile phone with the mobile phone of our friend and do transfer the data, transfer some videos, transfer some photographs with each other, transfer some important notes in the PDF format or in other format. We do transfer or exchange this information in between these different devices. This is what the system of connectivity is. Apart from connecting the computers and mobiles, we can connect other devices like printers. We can share various software through this connectivity. Software, if it is installed in one device, then through connectivity we can avail that particular software, the services of the software in other computer device through this network connectivity. In the same way, the database which is stored in a particular computer, we can use that database in other device, in other computer, if we connected these different devices with each other. In a particular office, various devices, various computers, various PCs, they get connected with each other. So therefore they can share the data, they can share the software, they can share the devices, the services provided by that particular devices with each other. So this is what the importance of the computer networking. Nowadays, through internet, globally we are connected with each other. We can share our data, we can share our information with the person who are sitting in their homes outside our country. Globally, we can share our information with various people. We can exchange our ideas with various people. It is because of the internet connectivity, and through this internet connectivity, all the devices of specific geographical locations are connected with each other. Nowadays, in the era of this connectivity, in the era of this information technology, we are sharing a bulk amount of data, we are sharing a huge amount of information, we are sharing the huge amount of information with various people who are situated at various geographical locations. So in this way, we can define the term computer networking. It means interconnection of computers or interconnection of various devices is known as computer networking. This networking system, we can connect the various devices with some cable or wireless system. Through wireless system, we can connect this devices. This is for the exchange of information, and they do share the information in between various devices. Softwares are utilized and database is used at a wide range. So this is what the definition of computer networking we learned in this particular lecture. In the next lecture, I will explain about different types of computer networking. That is local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Thank you very much.